When customers roll into your shop looking for new tires, there's one key feature you should emphasize: long-lasting tread life. With that being said, though buyers often ask how many miles the tires will last, dealers like you know that long-lasting tread characteristics matched to a specific application can mean the difference between a satisfied customer and a dissatisfied one. Let's talk about why matching the right tire tread to each driver's needs is crucial. Tire technology has constantly been evolving. Whereas 40 years ago, a 40,000 mile tread life was considered long-lasting, today it's not uncommon for new tires to offer 70,000 miles or more. Even ultra-high performance tires, which traditionally offer lower mileage warranties, can achieve up to 40,000 miles today. All this is in big thanks to the shift in popularity towards SUVs and the light truck segment, as tire manufacturers are offering tires that match the size and performance needs for these owners. For dealers, selling a tire with long-lasting tread characteristics isn't necessarily a satisfaction guaranteed scenario. To truly meet customer needs, these tires must be matched to the right application. For example, sedan owners may prioritize a smooth and noise-free driving experience, making a touring tire the ideal choice. Conversely, another sedan owner might seek to improve their driving performance, opting for a high-performance UHP tire. Both drivers can get tires in those respective categories that match the tire performance and longevity they're looking for. Your job as a tire dealer is to match tires to each driver's needs and vehicle. Highway-focused sedans need different tires than off-road pickup trucks, for example. Dealers should take a moment to ascertain what their customers want from their tires. That means asking questions about the kind of vehicle they have, how they drive, and what they care about on the road. Long-lasting tread life tires are perfect for people who want smooth, quiet tires that last. If your customers have a fancier, performance-oriented vehicle, you'll want to recommend tires that balance great handling and traction with decent mileage, even though they don't last as long as other types. All dealers want their customers to be happy with their purchase, but first, they need to ask questions and then match the tire to the customer's priorities and expectations to get them there. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.